is one of these crazy little storms that we get in Kansas. This is a windstorm that's going to roll through. It's going to take about 3 or 4 hours to pass. I guess it's coming out of Colorado. They're talking about 50 to 70 and greater mile per hour wind, sustained over 50 mile per hour. Normally, I mean, it can get windy here, but we'll see gusts up to 50. They're talking about sustained winds 50 to 70 for like 3 or 4 hours. So this is going to be kind of an interesting day. It is so dirty, dusty because we've had no moisture. I mean, this is going to be like the great dust bowl of the dirty 30s. So I don't know what's going to happen, but it's going to be a miserable day. But yeah, it's part of a building that I just drove across. It's like off the front of that dry cleaner. So anyway, stick around. It's going to be an adventure, and we'll see how things go. The roof is gone off of the Cold Stone Creamery, and half of it's there. My house is literally right on the other side of that tower, and so we need to probably go around and just go see what's going on down our street. Well, I got some insulation in my yard. I should probably go grab that. How's this looking? Oh, it's all over that guy's yard.
It's all over.
Yeah. That entire roof come off, and wow. Yep. Literally had nowhere to go. There it is. What the heck?
It crushed this tree. Like something hit that tree. Look at that. Broke that tree.
Wow. Well, I made it to the house, and that Cold Stone that's just right on the other side of the water tower, when that roof completely come off, a big chunk of like sheet metal took out some of my Christmas lights. So I did sustain a little bit of damage on that, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But right now, it looks like that's about the only problem I have. But man, I tell you what, this wind is no joke, and it is like, it's almost dark out because there's so much dirt in the air. But we don't have any power here at the house, lost power. So yeah, I don't know what the rest of the day is gonna look like, but it's supposed to only last for like 3 or 4 hours and then it's over. So hopefully it'll get on out of here in a hurry and we'll get the power back on and continue life as usual. Wow, what a windy day. I can literally feel the dirt on my body because everything is completely dusty and disgusting. And it's still very dusty out here. Still don't have power. We don't have power at the house, don't have power at the business. So we're trying to figure out what dinner's gonna look like. We're thinking maybe we would go out, but we may be just firing up our gas stove and maybe doing some chicken strips or something. I have no idea. But anyway, let's check out the damage in the front yard. There's a lot of places in town that got hit really hard. Big trees were falling over into houses. Obviously, a couple roofs got torn off of buildings. My little fence here that goes around the perimeter of my yard got taken out, so I'm gonna have to fix that. See what kind of broken lights we got. The deer over there, they're laid over. Frosty, he's in bad shape. Both of his arms are gone. I got some sticks laying down. So yeah, interesting little day. Hopefully we get power soon. We'll be back to normal. Anyway, hope things are better in your neck of the woods. Could have been a lot worse. Not really complaining. Just, you know. But yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure. Be blessed.